So, which are some of the benefits of balancing both our masculine and feminine energies within our bodies? And this, by the way, goes for any gender. To begin with, we are way more open to change and we can accept change easier. We also accept ourselves more and we love ourselves more, and that's because we accept our wholeness, not just one aspect of us. In addition, we have a better connection to our intuition and emotions, and that also translates to having a better connection to our bodies and to the way that we eat and generally live our life. In addition, we are more accountable and we take more aligned actions in our lives based on aligned decisions. So, let's say having an informed decision about something we want to have in our life or something we want to do. And that, of course, consequently, it leads to energetic alignment with our desired life. In addition, it really helps with forming really strong connections with people, either romantic or friends or whatever. Any sort of relationship actually benefits from balancing both of the energies within. And last but not least, we also increase our quality of life because obviously all of these things have to do with a better quality of life. So, I am hosting a workshop that deals with both masculine and feminine energies within the body and how to balance them. And this is going to take place on December 6th, 2022 at 7 p.m. Eastern, so New York and Montreal time. And I would love to see you there. We are going to discuss on the different traits of both energies and how they can be blocked and how this can create, issues within and without, because as within, so without. And I'm also going to guide you through a really powerful meditation in terms of balancing both energies. And this is a tool that you can take with you as well. We're also going to see some case studies in order to understand better the energies and understand what is the interaction. And yeah, overall it's going to be great. I'm really excited to see you there. If you want to register, there is a link in my bio. It's the very first link, and I'm sure that you're going to get tremendous value out of it. Blessings.